Hi, Cindy. Banana. Banana.
More, please remind me 2 minutes later.
No problem.
More, who can I contact for ID design? Which department?
Wait a second.
Mom, can you tell me a story?
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived with her mommy in a cottage on the edge of a big forest.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. This is Mommy. This is Daddy. This is me. Hey,
Qualcomm Quick Charge is smart battery management technology, available for fast and reliable smartphone charging, making it quick and easy to top up your battery. Now, Quick Charge is taking phone charging technology to the next step, Quick Charge 3.0, and it's exclusively from Qualcomm Technologies. Quick Charge 3.0 is designed to charge your battery significantly faster than conventional technology. It's leading the next generation of high-speed charging solutions instead of a predetermined voltage limit. Quick Charge 3.0 is designed to intelligently identify the exact power needed and operate the phone at the most efficient charge point. It's connector independent, so you can use it on a large number of devices, including support for USB Type-C. Qualcomm Quick Charge. Less time charging, more time doing. Available now as an option on select Qualcomm Snapdragon processors.
Atom is the world's first auto-tracking security robot.
Wow! Is this my new home? This place is fantastic.
Good morning.
Good morning, Atom.
It's 8 a.m.
Got to go to work.
Atom uses 256-bit encryption. When triggered, you will receive instant alerts. When it detects faces, Atom auto-tracks and sends out an alert. With a premium plan, users can receive video alerts. Once triggered, Atom warns the intruders. With Atom, you can communicate in real time.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Atom. Thank God, nothing is lost.
You've got mail.
Atom will inform you of any new emails. You can remotely play any audio files. You have 3 days worth of video storage using Amarillo services. The timeline allows you to play back your videos. Atom can see clearly in total darkness. You can select or block out zones to monitor or to ignore specific areas of a room. Amarillo is your security robot company.
These are your most memorable moments in life. Your graduation ceremony, your wedding day, your first car, and first vacation. You share these memories with the whole world on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, etc. However, there are moments that you want to save in your phone, but you run out of storage space. There is a solution. Fluffy, the most accessible, secure, and fast type of home cloud for each and everyone, with no monthly fees. Just place it in your home or office and transfer or sync any files from your phone, tablet, or PC with an easy hand motion. Now, no one will be able to trespass your privacy. Only you decide with whom to share your files or who will be able to access your Fluffy. Fluffy has 3 memory options: 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes. It is easily installed on any surface. Furthermore, it has a pleasant design and fits any interior. Fluffy, everlasting memories.
This is Jane. Jane has many devices: a smartphone, a tablet, and an e-reader. Jane's devices are always running out of power at the worst possible moment. On her daily commute to and from work, on a flight, on holiday, at a work conference, even just out in the garden or park.
At home, it's the same problem.
Jane's phone and tablet are always running out of power, and she hates having to wait for them to charge. Watching a movie, playing her favorite game, reading a book, shopping, or catching up on news and gossip. And good luck with that short charging cable. Jane also has a husband and 2 kids. That's even more devices. Quite annoying, huh? Well, we have the solution. Introducing Chargy. Chargy is your home and office charging station, providing multiple charging options with portable, wireless, and wired charging. Chargy has 3 powerful power banks, giving you portable charging on the go or around the house. Each Chargy recharges wirelessly. To recharge, it's simple. Just drop each power bank into its charging bay. No cables, no small connectors, just simple wireless charging. Chargy also has 3 powerful USB ports for rapid wired charging. Free up your home and office power points by charging multiple phones and tablets. You can also place any Qi-enabled phone or tablet on top of the Chargy station to charge wirelessly. Chargy can charge all your other devices too, like your bike lights, fitness trackers, music players, portable speakers, extreme sports cameras, and smartwatches. A simple solution to keep your devices charged all day long.